Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to change the country on the App Store. Let's jump into the first method. Here's how to do it. On your iPhone, tap on the Settings icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings app, you will find your Apple ID section. Tap on your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. On your Apple ID settings page, you will find several options. Tap on Media and Purchases. In the pop-up menu, select the View Account option. Tap on the Country or Region option. Next, again, tap on Change Country or Region option. Select the new country or region you want to switch to from the list. Review the terms and conditions, then tap Agree to proceed. Enter your new payment information and billing address for the selected country, then tap Next. And there you have it. By using this method, you can change the country on the App Store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.